managed to make it out here to St. Joseph's something. St. Joseph's something, yeah. But anyway, best way to see a city is to get on the wrong bus for about half an hour, then realize you're on the wrong bus. It's the best way to see a new city, just saying. Worked for me, apparently. But anyway, let's go explore. Alright, Canada, you got a few things right. Hockey, basketball, Sleeman beer, but stairs, man. Stairs everywhere, what the hell? I made it to one point, and so got all them steps right there to go, but the view right here, not bad. Yeah, not bad at all. So there's some steps down there, and it's reserved for people who want to come up on their knees. I barely made it on my foot, so yeah, I'm not gonna try it on my knees anytime soon. Alright guys, it was definitely worth it, and like I said, if you're in decent shape you'll be fine. If you're me, not so much. So that was a pretty nice experience, and the best of all, it's free. So the $3 I overspent on the bus made it all right. Anyway, I'll have to get back on that same bus again, and hopefully I do not mess up this time. Going to the old port of Montreal now. We're about to make this shit work, son. I'm telling you, don't ever drink if you're trying to make it a budget trip. But you know what? Sometimes you gotta break rules, guys.
I mean, she wants to do. No, Grandma. I'm not gonna do shots of Earl Grey tea after. Like, no. And she's like, "Have you ever sent a naked photo?" I was like, "Grandma, I have never sent a naked photo. You've raised it better than that. Has a girl ever sent you a naked photo?" I'm afraid I can't confirm nor deny this accusation, Grandma.